What to eat before working out. 10 best foods to eat before workouts. I often get questions about what to eat or the right time to work out. The best time to work out, in my opinion, will depend on a lot of factors. However, what to eat before an exercise is very crucial to how successful your workout will be. This video will go in depth and list and talk about what you should eat before a workout to help gain the upper hand. Watch until the end because you will learn a lot to help you reach your workout's individual goals. Your pre-workout nutrition will ensure you have enough energy for optimum performance and results. Generally, carbohydrates give you energy for high-intensity exercises, while proteins are essential for muscle growth and recovery. Although the exact macronutrients you need will depend on your body and the type of exercise you plan to engage in, following are the 10 best foods to eat before workouts. 1. Whey protein. Consuming a high-quality whey protein product can be a convenient way to get the proteins you need to support muscle development. According to a study published by the American Journal of Physiology, Endocrinology, and Metabolism in 2007, taking 20 grams of whey protein before a workout improves the body's anabolic response and consequently helps build more muscle. 2. Bananas. Although bananas are not rich in protein, they are a good source of easily digested carbohydrates. So it is an excellent choice if you are working out soon and will not have time to digest your food. The carbs will help fuel your body for exercise, and the additional potassium and antioxidant content will help prevent muscle cramps and support faster recovery. 3. Granola. A granola bar is generally made of rolled oats, nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. And that combination makes an excellent combination of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Not all granola bars are made of oats and nuts. Some contain sweetened honey, maple syrup, or simple sugar. Although consuming some sugar will help a high-intensity workout, try to avoid overly sweetened granola that could cause the opposite effect and give you a sugar crash. 4. Oatmeal. Just 1 cup of rolled oats will give you as much as 10.6 grams of protein and 55.9 grams of carbohydrates. Consume this at least 1 hour before your workout, since it can be quite heavy, and you do not want to start your exercise feeling full. For best results, eat this with some skim or low-fat milk. Better yet, use nut milk to minimize bloating, which can get uncomfortable while exercising. 5. Grilled chicken. Half a chicken breast already powers you with 27 grams of protein. You can have it as a wrap or sandwich along with your favorite condiments. This is an excellent option if you are going to engage in strength training or muscle building exercises. Compared to other meats, this lean option will help you work out and build your muscles as well as recover more quickly. 6. Eggs. Eggs can be your most convenient pre-workout snack. They are inexpensive, easy to prepare, and easy to consume. Plus, they are so versatile that you will never get tired of eating them since there are so many healthy egg recipes to choose from. Each egg gives you approximately 6 grams of protein. However, it does not offer a lot of carbohydrates, so it is a good idea to have it along with some whole grains. 7. Whole grain sandwich. Whole wheat bread has approximately 12 grams of carbohydrates and around 4 grams of protein. It is a good option for high-intensity exercises or long cardiovascular workouts. You can enjoy it as a piece of toast with some nut butter or as a sandwich with a good protein source like chicken or turkey fillet. 8. Greek yogurt. Unknown to many, Greek yogurt is actually a good source of protein. In fact, a typical serving of about 200 grams gives you approximately 20 grams of protein, which is almost 3 times what you would typically get from regular yogurt. Apart from helping you build muscle, it also supports bone growth because of its calcium content. Additionally, It enables you to maintain a healthy gut flora for proper digestion and a healthy metabolism. 9. Fruit smoothie. There are tons of recipes you can use for a perfect pre-workout smoothie. Among your best options is to blend some frozen bananas and berries with coconut water. This will help you keep your electrolytes balanced despite an intense sweaty workout. You can also blend in some neutral flavored protein powder for extra muscle building benefits. 10. Apples and nut butter. Smother some apple slices in your favorite nut butter and sprinkle on some chia seeds. This is a delicious snack that is easy to prepare and enjoyable to consume. The best part is that it will give you a boost of energy to sustain an intense workout like a full indoor cycling class or an HIIT circuit. What you eat before exercising will directly affect the quality of your workout, and it affects your body. By consuming some carbohydrates, your body gets more energy to exert maximum effort while exercising. Proteins, on the other hand, will help you build muscle and ensure that your body recovers faster. Following are the study references we use to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.